Hey guys. So I want to start doing more videos this year. Um, Happy New Year, by the way. Um, I don't think I did very many last year at all, but last year it was a year. So I want to start doing more videos this year. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do, but I would like to do all different kinds of videos. Um, Now, I'm not by any means a like YouTuber, like I don't really do makeup on camera or anything. Like I'll try almost anything. But I mean, I want to get more into like DIYs, just crafty stuff and um I mean, when I do buy stuff, I like to do hauls. I mean, maybe I can do more than just makeup hauls though. I could do like food hauls because I do plan on trying to eat a lot better this year. Um, I just I just want to kind of change everything up. Um, and I don't know, I just thought maybe you guys could leave me some suggestions of what kind of videos you would like to see. Do you want more updates on my psoriasis? Do you want like vlogs? My life is not exciting, but I love watching vlogs, so I'm definitely willing to try and vlog. Um, like what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see me haul more makeup and talk about makeup? Do you want to see some DIY stuff, some anything crafty? I don't know, just let me know down below in the comments like everybody says. Um, I'm trying to I need a good outlet, like I need somewhere to help take my mind off of everything going on with my dad. Um, because that's literally all I can think about anymore. Um, like if I don't hear back from him for an hour, I'm always thinking like, is he okay? Did something happen? So just a quick little recap. I'm sure, I mean, it's probably the same people watching this that watched my last video, but or the video where I talked about it. But anyway, long story short, my dad was diagnosed back in September with pancreatic cancer, and it is not curable, and they gave him up to a year to live. So it's been extremely devastating, heartbreaking, scary. Like, I mean, you name it, it is. We did not expect that news in the least bit. I mean, we didn't foresee this at all. I mean, it was just out of nowhere, out of left field. So I just need somewhere that I can turn to get my mind off of it for a little while. Um, and yeah, so if you have any suggestions of like fun videos that I can do, or that you want to see, then just let me know and I'll try and get them done. So, um, yeah. But as far as my dad goes, he's having either really really good days or really really bad days. And some days are in between. Some days he's really bad when he wakes up and then really good, later on at night, or vice versa. Um, it's just a really sad thing because in the course of 4 months, he's lost like about 100 pounds. He weighs less than I do. Um, it's it's sad. Like this disease is it's horrible. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. So, I don't know. I don't want to get like too deep into into all of that. I was just kind of giving you an update, or for those of you who didn't know what was going on. Um, and yeah, I was gonna try and do a what's in my purse video because I got a new purse for Christmas. Um, and usually I film most of my videos on my phone just because it's so much easier. I don't have a good editor on my computer, so I just edit my videos on my phone and upload them straight to YouTube. And my phone was on like 3%, so no way. and my kid is waking up. So,